What is mobile devices? Mobile devices are portable computing devices that allow users to perform digital tasks, communicate wirelessly, and access applications and services while on the move. They typically include touchscreens, wireless connectivity, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, cellular, operating systems like Android or iOS, built-in sensors for interactivity. In the Comptia A+ exam, you need to understand how to identify, configure, secure, sync, and troubleshoot these devices. Mobile device types. Smartphones. A smartphone is a portable mobile device that combines phone functions with advanced computing features. It uses a touchscreen, runs on a mobile operating system like Android or iOS, connects to the internet, and supports apps, messaging, cameras, and GPS. Tablets. A tablet is a portable touchscreen device larger than a smartphone but smaller than a laptop. It runs on a mobile operating system like Android, iOS, or Windows, supports apps, connects to Wi-Fi or cellular networks, and is commonly used for browsing, reading, media, and light productivity tasks. Tablets often have optional accessories like keyboards or styluses. Laptops. A laptop is a portable personal computer with a built-in screen, keyboard, touchpad, and battery. It runs a full desktop operating system like Windows, macOS, or Linux. In the Comptia A+ exam, you need to know how to identify, upgrade, and troubleshoot laptop components like memory, storage, displays, and power adapters. Laptops use special function keys, have compact hardware, and may connect to docking stations for expanded functionality. Smartwatches. A smartwatch is a wearable device worn on the wrist that connects to a smartphone via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. It can display notifications, track fitness data like heart rate and steps, support voice assistants, and run apps. Smartwatches often include touch screens, sensors, and may offer features like GPS, music playback, and even cellular calling. E-readers. An e-reader is a lightweight, portable device designed specifically for reading digital books, e-books. It uses e-ink display technology that mimics paper and reduces eye strain, even in bright sunlight. E-readers typically offer long battery life, storage for thousands of books, and features like adjustable fonts, dictionary lookup, and Wi-Fi for downloading content. Popular examples include the Amazon Kindle and Kobo. GPS devices. GPS devices, global positioning system devices, are used for navigation and location tracking. They receive signals from satellites to determine the user's precise geographic position. Commonly found in cars, smartphones, and handheld units, GPS devices provide real-time directions, route planning, and location-based services. Some models work offline using preloaded maps and are popular for travel, hiking, and fleet tracking. Thank you for watching.